How to use social media to escape poverty. If you dey watch this video, you go become a celebrity. This video go build you house and e go buy you car. E go give you fame and money. And for you wey no know wetin you wan do with your life, e go give you idea on how to start your life journey. In the last few years, if you dey count people wey social media make, I dey among them. By just expressing myself on social media, my talent and my gift don carry me all over the world. I don go different countries, go perform, go entertain and educate people. I do all this things from the comfort of my home. That my small community wey be people dey run dey live. Na there I dey. I build entire career from that place, and now people dey find me, dey go there. When we dey grow up that time, people dey run from that place. They go find greener pastures outside. And now there I dey take build entire career and brand from that place. People dey run dey live. So you see say your environment is not even the problem, you are the problem. I wan share with you 5 things when I do differently wey you fit apply to help yourself in your social media journey. Number 1 is value. Wetin you dey give, na you go get from social media. Very dark man dey help you fight. Sabi news dey make you laugh. Gehgeh dey inspire you. They teach you, they motivate you, they educate you. My mission is simple. Number 2 thing you need to understand, you no fit build your career on trend. Mindset of always wanting to go viral, it go end your career before it start. Now the influence will keep you, now the influence will give you the money, now the influence will give you the life you want, not be your desire to make money. Very dark man come here, they tell many of una say he's not interested in money. But at the end of the day, the social media not still change your life. So if your goal and you say you won't come make money, you not go last. Then number 3 thing what you feel do, bro, is to be consistent. Who they show up once every day by day, you must they show up. Better pass person we go show up 20 times in a day. The next day again not show up. You see the way my career does still big reach now. I still they show up every day. Consistency, showing up every day, no excuses. Every day, even as far as my career don't even big reach self. Every day I see they wake up, they drop videos back to back.
Subscribe and stay tuned for more interesting videos.